Hello everyone, welcome to our revision, and in this revision session we have taken the topic of simple equations. What we are going to do is we'll take one chapter and we'll try to solve about 10 questions and trying to make sure that these 10 questions will cover the entire chapter. There will be no repetition, there will be no practice per se. We are just trying to cover every part of the chapter. So if you are through and through with this, it should help you greatly in the examination. I cannot guarantee that only this will come in the examination. There is no guarantee like that. But I can tell you that this is the most likely part of the curriculum which can be covered in an examination. Now let's just see the first question. The first question is 3x plus 5, 3 into bracket x plus 5 is equal to 6. And we are asked to find out the value of x by solving this equation. Now how can we find out the value of x? Please check this. So I write 3 into bracket x plus 5 is equal to 6. I can divide 3 on both the sides. So I get x plus 5 into 3 upon 3 is equal to 6 upon 3. But this step is most of the times done in the mind only. People don't write it, which is fair. So you can avoid writing that and you can directly write x plus 5 is equal to 6 upon 3 is equal to 2. So x plus 5 is equal to 2. So we have x is equal to 2 minus 5 is equal to minus 3. And the answer is x is equal to minus 3. This step we can just assume that it does not exist and directly we solve this. Or we could write 3x multiply plus 15 is equal to 6. 3x is equal to 6. Is equal to minus 3. So what do we have is the same question can be solved by more than one approaches, but it will give you the same answer. Why does this give you the same answer? Because mathematics is not dependent upon method. It does not depend upon method. So whichever method you follow, just do mathematics correctly. If you don't make mistakes while solving, you will get the right answer. If you make mistake, you will not get the right answer. Then it does not matter which method you follow. But if you don't make a mistake while solving, you will get the answer no matter which method you are using. Alright, we'll solve the next problem now. 3 into bracket m minus 5 is equal to 9. So we have 3 so we'll write m minus 5 is equal to 9 upon 3 is equal to 3. 9 divided by 3. You could have multiplied this and got the answer. It anyways will work out the same way. So m is equal to 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. M is equal to 8 is the answer. Now, my advice to all the students is let's not be stupid. Let's not be, let's not be one of those who will get the answer and only while checking the answers with other friends later on after the examination will come to know that we made a mistake. Why? Let us verify if the answer is right or not right. How can we verify? Put this value here. Instead of m, I am putting 8. 3 into 8 minus 5 is 3. And 3 into 3 is 9. This is 9. The answer is right. The next problem. 3x plus 7 is equal to 13. So 3 3 Again, I'll try to put the value here. LHS left hand side is equal to, this is for my rough work, I'm just checking the answers. LHS is equal to 3 into bracket x is 2. 3 into 2 is 6. 6 plus 7 is 13. The answer is right. A number is multiplied by 6. Then 9 is added to it. Final answer is 57. Find the number. If you don't know the number, we'll assume let the number be x. So the number is multiplied by x. Number multiplied by 6. This will be 6 into x. And then 9 is added to it. So add 9. So ये मिलेगा हमको. We'll get 6x plus 9 and the answer is 57. So 6x is equal to 57 minus 9 is equal to 48. X is equal to 8. Let's check if the answer is right. The number is multiplied by 6, 8 into 6, and then 9 is added. So we get the answer 57. The number answer is 57. The answer is right. So we know that x is equal to 8 is the right answer. Let's see the next problem. When 5 is subtracted from 3 times a number, let the number be x. 5 is subtracted, so minus 5. From what? From 3 times the number is equal to 19. If you get this, you will get the right answer anyway. If you don't get this, if you make a mistake while writing this, then it is doubtful. Otherwise, you will get the answer. 3x minus 5 is equal to 19. Minus 5 comes here. X is equal to 8. Let's check. 5 is subtracted from 3 times the number. So 3 times 8 minus 5 is equal to 24 minus 5 is equal to 19. 19 is the answer. Next problem. If 4 times a number is increased by 7, the result is the same as the sum of the number and 31. Find the number. It's slightly difficult than normal. So we'll solve this. We got back to the same problem. This one. If 4 times a number, let the number be x. So 4 times the number is increased by 7. You increase, that is addition of 7 plus 7 is equal to, the result is same as the sum of the number and 31. So the sum of the number and 31 is equal to same as the 3 times the number, 4 times the number and increased by 7 plus 7. So we'll take the all the variables on one side and the constants on one side. So we have 4x minus x is equal to 31 minus 7. This is 3x is equal to 24. X is equal to 24 upon 3 is equal to 8. X is equal to 8. So the number is 8. Let's check. 4 times a number. 4 times a number is 4 into the number 8. Is increased by 7. This will be equal to 32 plus 7. That's 39. Is equal to the sum of the number. The number is 8 and 31. 8 plus 31 is also 39. Yeah, this and this is equal 39, 39. The answer is right. If this matches, if the given criteria is completely satisfied, that means our answer was right. Let's solve the next one. A rectangle has length that is 5 centimeter more than twice its width. Okay, so the length is 5 centimeter more than 2 times its width. The perimeter of the rectangle is 46. Perimeter is equal to 2 into bracket length plus breadth or length plus width. This is equal to 2 into bracket. Perimeter is 46. 2 into bracket L is equal to this value. Put this value 2W plus 5 plus W. That is equal to 2 into bracket 3W plus 5 divide. We have 23. 46 upon 2 will be 23 is equal to 3W plus 5. So 3W is equal to 23 minus 5 is 18. So W is equal to 18 upon 3 is equal to 6. And if W is 6, the length is equal to, width is 6, length is 2 into W. 2 into 6 is 12 plus 5, 17. Length is 17, width is 6. If the length is 17 and width is 6, the perimeter will be equal to 2 into bracket length plus width. 17 plus 6 is equal to, this is 23 into 2, 46. Yeah, that's the right answer. We got the right answer. I think this might be the last. No. This is the last rectangle. Yeah. The sum of this might be the second last problem. Let's see. The sum of two numbers is 45. If one number is 3 times the other, find the numbers. These are the slightly difficult ones, but it's not impossible anyway. One number, let one number be x. So second number is equal to 45 minus x. Why? Because the sum is 45. If the addition is 45, then if one number was 10, the other has to be 35 because the addition is 45. So this number is equal to 45 minus this number. If this was 11, then this number would be 34. That is 45 minus 11. If this number is 15, we will have to have 30 here, only then the addition. So 30 is equal to 45 minus 15. So if the number is x, this number will be 45 minus x. This is the logic that we are following here. So we will write that if one number is x, then the second number will be 45 minus x. If one number is 3 times the other number, so let's say this number 45 minus x is equal to 3 times the first number. A minus x will go this side. 45 is equal to 4x. If the sum of two numbers is 45, one number is 3 times the other number. Yeah, okay. So 4x, So x is equal to 45 upon 4. The answer will not be in natural numbers. It will not be whole numbers. It will be in decimals. It is fine. 11.25. Next problem. The sum of the ages of a father and his son is 45 years. The father's age is 4 times the son's age. I'll start with let the son's age be x. So their addition is 54. So father's age must be 54 minus x. I hope this is not a problem. And the father's age is 4 times. So 54 minus x is father's age is equal to 4 times son's age. So 4 into x. Add that there, 54 is equal to 5x. So x is equal to 54 upon x. 54 upon 5. So this is 10.8. 10 years and 0.8 year is 9.6 months or something. So the answer will be 54 by 5 years. Now this is not a problem with, we should not be getting ages in fractions actually, because most of the time the age problem will give us the answer in whole numbers. But sometimes it happens, and sometimes the numbers are not adjusted and it happens. It is okay. Maybe there was something else and I modified the numbers and I did not modify the numbers properly with what I remember. So maybe that is why the answers are not coming in the whole numbers. But the problem is right. The solution is right. The solution is not difficult. It's just about understanding the problem. If you can put the right equation, you will get the right answer anyway. I hope you understand this. I hope this helps you. I hope you do study well with this. Thank you so much. All the best.